Are you tired of seeing people on social media tell you how much they have made without actually telling you how they're doing it? Buckle up, because I'm gonna show you exactly all the steps you need to take in order to start and become successful with affiliate marketing.
So step number one is to pick a niche, which is also a topic of your interest.
As I noted in my blueprint, health, wealth, and relationships are the most profitable niches year-round because these are the things that people care most about. Once you pick your niche, you're gonna go ahead to a website like DigitStore24 or JVZoo. This is where you're gonna get your affiliate links. Next, you're gonna create a simple opt-in page or a funnel, which is just a way for you to collect email addresses so that you can have an email list to promote products to and also follow up with them if they don't buy the first time. Personally, I use ClickBank, but you can also use System.io. Next, you're gonna get an email autoresponder set up, and this is what's gonna keep your business running even if you're not working. Personally, like to use Aweber or GetResponse. You can write 5 to 10 emails in one day and just schedule them to come out on different days of the week. Once you have your sales funnel and email autoresponder connected, all you have to do is drive traffic to your sales funnel. You do this by creating organic content and posting it online, just like this video, to drive traffic to your link. Affiliate marketing is not as hard as you think. It's extremely simple business model that literally anyone from engineers, doctors, lawyers, nurses, teenagers, grandmas, and grandpas can do it too. If you're ready to get started, comment ready.